See, if you look into the problem, what we have a summation r is equals to 1 to n 2r minus 1 times x. When limit n tends to 0, this is 1 cube by x square, 2 cube by x square, 3 cube by x square, on so on. You need to find this value. Is it okay? So first of all, what I'll do, I'll try to check what is the given statement here. So it is given that we have summation of r is equals to 1 to n 2r minus 1 times must be equals to x. So first I'll try to rewrite this function. So what I can say, as we know from the properties of a summation, summation of a plus b is same as summation a plus summation b. Agree? So the same property I'll be applying here. So what I'll be getting here, this is nothing but summation r is equals to 1 to n 2r minus summation r is equals to 1 to n, this is 1, must be equals to x. So from this, as I know, we know that summation of a times r, where summation is over r, I can take simply a common, this is summation over r. In the same way, I'll take 2 common exactly here. This is nothing but summation r is equals to 1 to n minus. So this is nothing but summation of r is equals to 1 to n, this is 1, must be equals to x. See, if you have 1 plus 2, 1 plus 1 plus 1, how many times? Let us assume 4 times. What is the meaning here? 4 times 1. This is what we'll be doing. Here also, I'll take 1 by 1. So if I take summation is over r, if I take r is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus on so on up to how many terms? Summation is over up to n minus, this is also 1 plus 1 plus 1 on so on up to how many times? This is n times. Is it okay? This must be equals to x. Any doubts up to here? So from this, what I can say, if you can see this, this is nothing but sum of the n natural numbers formula. What is the sum of n natural numbers? We know that it will be n into n plus 1 by 2. Is it okay? And this is 1 1 1 1, how many times you are adding? As if I add 4 times, I'll be getting 4n. Same way I'll be doing here. Is it okay? This is n times I need to add, so n times 1 must be equals to x here. Is it okay? If you want, I'll write it down. We know that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to n, summation of n natural numbers. So what is the formula for summation of n natural numbers? This is simply nothing but n into n plus 1 by 2. Agree? Yes. Let us continue. So what we got here, actually this 2 I can remove. This is n into n plus 1 minus n is equals to x, which means n square plus n minus n is equals to x. So we can cancel. So from this I can conclude n square is nothing but x alone. Is it okay? Simply take this as a statement number 1. Is it clear? So now let us check what we want. You need to find the limit of this function. Is it okay? So let us find that one. What is the question we have? Limit n tends to 0. This is 1 cube by x square plus 2 cube by x square plus 3 cube by x square plus on so on. You need to find up to n cube by x square. Is it okay? Yes. So if you check into the problem, we can say that some limit is over n. So wherever x is there, I'll replace with n square. Okay. Before moving on to that, I'll actually take x square common from all the terms. Is it okay? So if I take 1 by x square outside, this is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube. I'm sorry. Let me rewrite. So this is simply 3 cube plus on so on up to n cube. Is it okay? So if you replace x with n square, what happened to this? This is limit n tends to 0. 1 by x is nothing but n square, and here you are having x square, which is whole square. So this is in the form of sum of your cubes of n natural numbers. So if you know sum of cubes of 1 n natural numbers, 2 cube plus on so on plus n cube, the formula will be n into n plus 1 by 2, everything the whole square. This is the formula we have already learned. Is it okay? Yes. So this is nothing but n into n plus 1 by 2, the whole square. Is it okay? So what I will do, I'll try to apply the whole square. From this I can conclude limit n tends to 0. This will be n power 4. And what about this one? This is nothing but n square into n plus 1 the whole square by 4 alone. Is it okay? Yes. So now let us continue. We know that always for a scalar, we have a algebra of limits. So if you have limit x tends to a k times a function f of x, I can actually take k outside and I can apply the limit of the function. Is it okay? Because k is a some constant scalar. This is the formula we have. I'll be doing the same thing here, which means 1 by 4 is a constant. I'll take it out, and this n square will be cancelled. Limit n tends to 0. This is n plus 1 the whole square by n square. I'll try to solve this for further. So 1 by 4 limit. If I take n tends to 0, let me expand this one. What it will be? I'll apply a plus b the whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab by a square. Like whatever the denominator we have, which is nothing but 1 by 4 into limit n tends to 0. I'll try to split it out. So which is n square by n square plus 1 by n square plus 2n by n square. So from this what I can conclude? I can conclude that we can cancel easily n square here. Here 1 n I can cancel. So what I'll be getting here? 1 by 4 times what it will be, limit n tends to 0. This is nothing but 1 plus 1 by n square. Is it okay? Yes. And what about this one here? So we can actually take it as a 2 by n. Is it fine? Yes. So from this what I can say, yes, you can apply limiter n tends to 0. You'll be getting 1 by infinity. Okay, 1 by 0 is infinity you are getting. So instead of that one, what I will do, I'll try to do in this way. So let us apply 0. You'll be getting 0 by 0 format if I substitute directly. Is it okay? So from this what I will do here, I'll simply apply the formula. Yeah, so actually there may be some printing mistake here. You can't take 0, it should be a infinity. Maybe it should be an infinity. Try to recorrect it. Everywhere it should be always an infinity, then only we can go for further. If it is 0, obviously your function is also tending to infinity, which is not defined. Is it okay? Yes. So they say some books they give printing mistake in the question. The book what I am using here, the question is mistake. Let us go with the limit n tends to infinity. We know that 1 by infinity is 0. So from this I can say that 1 by 4 times 1 plus 0 plus 0. So which is nothing but 1 by 4. So our problem is done. If you have any doubts, you just let me know. Actually, I did not check the question. That is a printing mistake. Okay. So this is the answer. Thank you.